do, ba-da-da.
Hi everyone, Mahindran here from RDRC. I'm really happy to see you again in another video. It is to introduce what is the schedule we have for July 2020. In this month, we have the following topics to cover. Every Sunday, 10:30 a.m., we have the plan to share topics which are technologies and the topics which are going to contribute to the sustainable development of individuals as well as for the society. So on July 5th, we have the session on video editing software. This is completely 100% free and open source software. So anyone who is interested to share their knowledge as a video content, this session going to be helpful. On 12th July, we have the plan to share knowledge on sustainable development goal number 5, gender equality. For this purpose, I also created a small survey which I shared the link here. You can use it and attend that survey. It will take maximum 1 or 2 minutes. This is to get the reality of our people, to understand how the gender equality we are actually having within our society. And on July 19th, we have very important session. In this, I will be introducing certified wind turbine models in India, which are all certified under the Indian Wind Turbine Certification Scheme. On 26th, we have the session on wind industry softwares. This is very, very important for the people who are in the wind industry. So here I will introduce the wind industry softwares. This session going to be a multiple part. So I just initiated this as a part 1. All the sessions every Sunday 10:30 a.m. Apart from this, few weeks before, we also initiated for the internal development and internal management. So that is inner peace meditation. So every Thursday and Saturday evening 6:30, we have the session on meditation. In this session, we are going to share knowledge about the meditation techniques. Mostly for now, we are sharing the knowledge about Anapanasati and Vipassana. These are the 2 techniques now shared and practiced. People interested who can join. To join all these online session, you need to have access details. Initially, at least you should have laptop, mobile, access to internet and WebEx meeting. If you have this information, you can receive all the detail related to the meeting just by registering one time at the link given here. All the sessions are free. Also, to know more about each activities we are doing through RDRC, you can check in our official page link given here. For any further detail, you can always contact me. Number is given in the description section. Thank you so much for your continuous support. For the last 2 months, we are able to deliver at least more than 6,700 minutes of knowledge transfer session. So I am happy, and the purpose of hosting or doing this session is very, very simple and straightforward. Knowledge transfer is very, very important for the sustainable development. So whatever the knowledge I have or I learn or I use or I gain from society, I am start sharing through these sessions. The main purpose is very clear. By doing this activity, we directly or indirectly contributing to the betterment of any individual or to the society. This is very, very important. If this contribution is going to make positive change, which is going to contribute to the sustainable development of the individual and to the society, then I will be happy. So feel free to join this session. If you have any questions, as I said, you can always message me at my WhatsApp number. Then we can take it forward how we can make it useful for everyone. Thank you once again. I personally thank each and everyone on behalf of RDRC, because without your support, it is not possible to continuously have the session and make it useful to many people. And feel free to share with your friends. See you in the session very soon. Thank you. Do, 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 do,